In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Basecamp projects. Transferring projects in Basecamp usually starts with getting a full copy of your account data, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. This is especially useful if you're migrating to another tool, keeping a backup for compliance, or handing things over to another team. First, make sure you're signed into your Basecamp account with an admin or owner-level login, since regular users often can't access the export tools. Once you're in, head to your Basecamp home screen. This is the main dashboard where you see your projects and teams. If you're already somewhere else inside a project, just use the home link at the top of the page to get back to that main view. From the home screen, look for the Admin Land option. It's usually found in the top navigation or in a settings area, and it's where all of the account level controls live. Go ahead and click Admin Land. Think of this as the control center for your entire Basecamp account, not just a single project. Inside Admin Land, you'll see a list of administrative options. Here, find and click on Export Data from this account. This is the feature that prepares a complete export of your projects, messages, files, and other data. You're not moving anything yet. You're just asking Basecamp to bundle it up so you can take it with you. Once you're on the export page, Basecamp will either show you that an export is already available or give you the option to create a new one. In this guide, we're continuing from a point where an export has already been generated. You'll see a line indicating when the export was last updated, such as last updated a few minutes ago. Click on that link. This takes you into the details of the most recent export so you can access the actual file. On the next screen, you'll notice a highlighted area or link related to that export file. Click on the highlighted section to open the export details page. This page confirms what's included in the export and gives you the option to download it. Finally, click on Download My Export. Basecamp will then download a compressed file, usually a zip, to your computer. Store this file somewhere secure, since it contains all of your project data. From here, you can import it into another platform that supports Basecamp exports, keep it as a backup, or use it as part of a broader migration plan.